So here we are, everybody, the midway point for the course. That's pretty exciting, right? That means we have, at the end of this week, we will have survived half the material and we have half the material to go. That is really good news. What I'll tell you over the course of this week, I'll be reaching out to everybody just with a general idea of how you're doing. I know all the grades are there for you to see in Eagle. I know it's not like it's a secret or anything, but I also think it's also a good idea for me to just touch base with you and give you a go, no go for how you've been doing. And just in case there's been any challenges, we can help you get things kind of on the right direction for the remaining 4 weeks. To that end, what I will tell you is in my IT lab, there's only chapter 7, which has to do with networking, and the second portion of Excel. It's been my experience that there should be a session or two where we break from the sprint for just a moment to take a breather. And this is one of those. So if you are still attempting to get caught up, this is the week to do it. A note for everybody, irrespective of how it is that you are doing here in my IT lab, do remember that over in Eagle, if you go through the modules or if you look on the homepage, there's a link for quizzes. Those are not quizzes in my IT lab. Those are the quizzes in Eagle that count for 40% of your overall grade. Do not forget to go back in there and do them. I do not have a due date on them. I will make them due the last day of class. But what I want is, I want those there, that you can take them when you're ready to take them. I didn't want to have to tell you, okay, you've got to do this session where potentially there's a bunch of stuff already that's going to take more of your time. So if you find sometime in the session that you are well and caught up, which is many of you, go into Eagle and take those quizzes. The biggest one of them is 22 questions. They are quick, they are superficial, and they are meant to help your grade along. So do not forget about those. Again, on the left-hand side of Eagle, if you go through and look at quizzes, you can see them all listed for you there. On the homepage, otherwise, if you scroll down just a little bit, in a big, header, it says quizzes. So that's where you can find that. If you click through here inside of Eagle as well, right below the page that is this video anyway, we have some additional videos for you. I have the ones that I make for you on networking. There is a section in here on how to set up and secure your home router. So like literally the one, you can't see it, it's right behind here. I don't know if you can hear that. Internet router is right behind here. So I have a very old house. This is my dungeon office. It's in the basement. It is 3 levels, including this. So technically it used to be a duplex, so it's not set up like a real freaking house. And it's difficult to punch internet all the way up to the top floor, and it's damn near impossible otherwise to punch internet all the way out to like the garage where all of us meet for family gatherings now because COVID. So at any rate, I've got tips, tricks, and an actual walkthrough in there for you on how to best secure and set up your home network. So it goes way beyond the bullshit setup that like Charter or Spectrum or whomever would have had you set up, their not so fantastic network. Follow those easy to follow steps, and you have created a safe and secure home network with the best possible opportunity to bring internet to every corner of your house. So those are bonuses in there for you that go beyond what you'll see in the material in, for example, my IT lab. So that and Excel, Chapter 7, Excel, and any and all of the quizzes you would like to take, remember, in Eagle on the right-hand side under quiz, or the left-hand side under quizzes, or on the home page if you scroll down a little bit under the quizzes tab. As always, if you have questions or comments or concerns, please reach out. Over the last 2 weeks, my office hours have been very nearly full all the way up, and I have had numerous Zoom calls with students outside of the office hours, and that's perfectly okay. It means that you guys are taking me up on the offer to try and help. Just reach out maybe a little bit earlier. I know at least 2 times this week I had to tell a student, no, none of these times work anymore because it was too close to when everybody had already booked up the time. And then that just creates havoc for everybody. So do remember, if you have an issue, reach out as quickly as possible, and we can get you a resolution to that issue as quickly as possible. So hopefully you all get to dig out from the snow tomorrow. Hopefully everything is going well, and you'll hear from me over the course of the week with, just a quick update on how you're doing in the course, so that you can't say that you didn't hear it from me. So have at it, everybody.